3. Secret vitamins that make older women instantly look younger and attractive. Have you ever glanced in the mirror and felt a disconnect between how you feel inside and the reflection staring back at you? You might feel vibrant, full of life, yet your skin appears tired, your hair thinner, and that youthful glow seems to have vanished. Many women, especially after the age of 60, experience these changes. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that a shelf full of creams and complicated skincare routines will solve the problem. However, the real secret to regaining that radiant, youthful appearance isn't found in a jar. It's often already within you, or at least it can be. This video unveils 3 scientifically backed vitamins that are frequently missing in the diets of women over 60. These essential nutrients possess the remarkable ability to revitalize your skin, strengthen your hair and nails, and ultimately make you look and feel younger. Forget the hype and gimmicks. These are genuine solutions for women who are embracing aging with grace and boldness on their own terms. If you're ready to age powerfully, radiate confidence, and perhaps even surprise yourself and others, then stay tuned. This information is crucial for anyone aspiring to age with vitality and beauty. Understanding what happens to your body as you age is the first step toward nurturing it with intention and kindness. After the age of 60, several natural physiological shifts occur. A significant change is the decline in the production of collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for maintaining skin firmness, smoothness, and a lifted appearance. As these proteins diminish, skin can begin to sag. Fine lines become more pronounced, and the skin loses its plump, youthful resilience. Furthermore, your skin becomes thinner and more fragile, making it less adept at retaining moisture. This can lead to dryness, roughness, and even itchiness, particularly during colder months. Hormonal changes, especially the decline in estrogen levels during and after menopause, also play a critical role. Reduced estrogen levels can slow down blood flow to the skin, meaning fewer oxygen and nutrients reach your skin cells, contributing to a duller complexion. However, the aging process isn't solely an external phenomenon. What's happening inside your body has a profound impact on how you look and feel. Every day, your body battles free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can damage cells and accelerate aging. When your body lacks sufficient antioxidants, it struggles to defend itself, leading to a loss of radiance, increased susceptibility to wrinkles and age spots, and that persistent, tired look. The good news is that by understanding your body's needs, you can implement small, impactful changes to revitalize your skin. Consider the story of Susan, a vibrant 67-year-old who retired and continues to lead an active life, enjoying gardening, walking with friends, and regular video calls with her grandchildren. Despite her active lifestyle and inner vitality, Susan began to notice a change in her reflection. She appeared tired, not just older. Her eyes seemed less defined. Her skin looked pale and dry, and her once thick hair felt thinner and weaker. Susan wasn't trying to recapture her youth, but she yearned to feel radiant and like her true confident self. She tried expensive serums, collagen drinks, and even a birthday facial, but her skin remained dry, her eyes looked tired, and frustration grew. A turning point came when Susan reconnected with an old friend, a retired nutritionist. During their conversation, Susan confided in her friend about her concerns. Her friend wisely pointed out, "You're treating the outside, Susan, but the real change starts on the inside." She explained that as we age, our bodies become less efficient at absorbing and utilizing certain nutrients, particularly those vital for skin, hair, and energy. Her friend recommended a few key nutrients that most women over 60 tend to be deficient in. Susan decided to try them, incorporating a couple of capsules into her morning routine. Within 6 weeks, the results were undeniable. Her neighbor commented on a change in her skincare, and her walking buddy remarked on her glow. Susan hadn't changed her makeup or her face cream. She had simply provided her body with the essential tools it needed to work its magic from within. The 3 secret vitamins that empowered Susan and countless other women to look and feel younger from the inside out are not miracle cures, but powerful natural nutrients that your body recognizes and utilizes. True youthfulness isn't just about fewer wrinkles. It's a combination of healthy skin tone and texture, bright eyes, good posture, abundant energy, and an undeniable spark of vibrancy. All of these factors originate at the cellular level. Every day, your body dedicates itself to producing new skin cells, repairing damage, and creating vital proteins like collagen and elastin. However, this process naturally slows with age, and free radicals generated by stress, pollution, and sun exposure begin to inflict damage faster than your body can mend it. This is where antioxidants and micronutrients become indispensable allies. They act as protectors, defending your skin from damage, accelerating repair, and promoting healthy new growth. Imagine your skin as a garden. Vitamins are the sunlight and water. Without them, your garden cannot flourish. When your body receives the right building blocks, it can restore hydration, repair connective tissues, improve circulation, and even regulate pigmentation, all contributing to that firm, dewy, and glowing appearance associated with youth. The exciting part is that some of the most potent vitamins for this process are often overlooked. These are not the commonly discussed nutrients, but they are scientifically studied and proven to be effective. Let's begin with a vitamin that rarely makes headlines in skincare discussions: vitamin K2. Unlike vitamin K1, which is crucial for blood clotting, K2 plays a distinct and powerful role in maintaining a youthful appearance. Vitamin K2's primary function is to direct calcium to the appropriate parts of your body, such as your bones, and prevent its buildup in areas where it shouldn't be, like your arteries and skin. Calcium deposits in tissues can lead to stiffness, brittleness, and an aged appearance. Research indicates that vitamin K2 can significantly enhance skin elasticity, reduce the visibility of wrinkles, and promote a smoother, more youthful skin texture. It also supports circulation, ensuring that vital nutrients reach your skin cells more effectively. Some scientists even suggest that K2 may help slow down the internal aging process of tissues. The challenge with vitamin K2 lies in its dietary sources. It's primarily found in fermented foods like natto, a Japanese soybean dish that for many is an acquired taste. While grass-fed dairy, hard cheeses like Gouda, and egg yolks contain K2, obtaining adequate amounts from food alone can be difficult. Consequently, many women over 60 are turning to K2 supplements, particularly the MK7 form, which offers a longer-lasting presence in the body. If you're seeking firmer skin, improved bone health, and better circulation, vitamin K2 is an exceptionally powerful yet often underestimated nutrient. Next on our list is a vibrant nutrient with a unique name and a significant impact on youthful appearance: astaxanthin. This powerful antioxidant is one of the most potent natural protectors against free radical damage. Astaxanthin acts as a shield for your skin cells, counteracting the oxidative stress that leads to sagging, dark spots, and that tired, crepey look. Its potency is remarkable. It's 550 times stronger than vitamin E and 6,000 times more powerful than vitamin C when it comes to fighting skin damage. Scientific studies have demonstrated its efficacy. One 8-week study found that women who supplemented with astaxanthin experienced a significant reduction in fine lines and age spots, improved skin hydration, and enhanced elasticity, especially around the eyes and cheeks. While wild-caught salmon and krill contain astaxanthin, you would need to consume a substantial amount to achieve a skin-rejuvenating dose. Therefore, most women opt for a daily supplement, typically between 4 and 8 milligrams, often referred to as nature's internal sunscreen. Astaxanthin also provides protection against UV damage from within, leading to fewer sunspots, wrinkles, and a brighter, healthier complexion. If you desire a literal glow, astaxanthin might be your new best-kept secret. Finally, let's discuss a vitamin you might have heard of, but perhaps haven't utilized to its full potential: biotin, also known as vitamin B7. As part of the B vitamin family, biotin plays a crucial role in converting food into energy. More importantly for our discussion, it is directly involved in maintaining the health of your hair, skin, and nails. Biotin aids your body in producing keratin, the fundamental protein that forms your hair and nails. As we age, keratin production naturally declines, often resulting in hair that becomes thin, brittle, and lackluster. Clinical studies have consistently shown that women who took biotin supplements for 90 days experienced noticeable improvements in hair strength, thickness, and even new growth in thinning areas. It also contributed to alleviating dry, flaky skin and brittle nails. While biotin is found in foods like eggs, almonds, avocados, and sweet potatoes, its absorption can decrease with age. This is why many women over 60 find daily biotin supplementation, often combined with other B vitamins or collagen, to be highly beneficial. It's not a magic potion, but for many, it serves as the missing link, particularly when dealing with hair loss, nail breakage, or dull, dry skin that moisturizers alone cannot address. To quickly summarize, 3 secret vitamins can help you look and feel younger and more vibrant. Vitamin K2 enhances elasticity, supports circulation, and combats premature aging. Astaxanthin is a powerful free radical fighter that hydrates the skin and offers sun protection. Biotin, on the other hand, boosts keratin production, strengthening hair and nails, and promoting cellular renewal. While these nutrients might not be prominently featured in every beauty advertisement, they are scientifically validated and are revolutionizing how older women approach self-care from the inside out. The best part, incorporating them into your life, is simple, affordable, and natural. Now that we've explored the remarkable benefits of vitamin K2, astaxanthin, and biotin, you might wonder if there are additional steps you can take to maximize their effectiveness. The answer is a resounding yes. Vitamins do not operate in isolation. They thrive in a supportive environment. Think of them like seeds. Planted in dry, rocky soil, they will struggle to grow. However, in healthy, well-watered soil bathed in sunshine, they flourish. Let's delve into the supportive habits that amplify the power of these nutrients, enabling you to look and feel your absolute best. First and foremost is hydration. You've heard it repeatedly, but it cannot be overstated. Adequate water intake is fundamental for skin health. Without sufficient hydration, skin cells cannot maintain their plumpness, elasticity, or ability to detoxify properly. Water also plays a vital role in nutrient absorption and circulation, ensuring that the vitamins you consume actually reach their intended destinations. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses of clean water daily. Herbal teas also contribute to your fluid intake. Secondly, embrace morning sunlight. 10 to 15 minutes of gentle morning sun exposure offers more than just a mood boost. It aids your body in producing vitamin D, a crucial player in skin repair and hormone balance. Sunlight also supports your circadian rhythm, leading to better sleep, more efficient overnight repair, and a brighter, clearer complexion upon waking. Thirdly, cultivate a nourishing diet. The vitamins we've discussed work optimally when your diet is rich in whole, colorful foods. This includes leafy greens, berries, fatty fish, and healthy fats like avocado and olive oil. These foods are packed with coactors, which are nutrients that help your body activate and utilize vitamins more effectively. Fourth, prioritize deep sleep. Did you know that your skin performs most of its repair and regeneration processes while you sleep? During deep sleep, blood flow to the skin increases and new collagen is produced. Sleep deprivation is immediately apparent on your face, manifesting as dark circles, dullness, and puffiness. Consistent quality sleep, however, amplifies the effects of every supplement you take. Fifth, practice stress reduction. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, a hormone that can break down collagen and accelerate skin aging. Even dedicating just 10 minutes a day to gentle breathing exercises, stretching, or prayer can significantly lower stress hormones and enhance your body's ability to utilize nutrients for healing and rejuvenation. Finally, don't neglect topical support. A simple, gentle skincare routine that includes moisturizers, hyaluronic acid, or a vitamin C serum can complement the internal benefits you're achieving. Opt for fragrance-free products designed for mature skin. The key is consistency, not complexity. You don't need a 12-step regimen, just a reliable daily practice. When you combine these supportive habits with the right nutrients, it's like turning the key in your body's natural glow engine. You'll begin to feel better, your energy levels will improve, and your skin will reflect the care you're giving it. People will notice. This journey isn't about chasing an unattainable younger age. It's about becoming the most radiant, confident, and empowered version of yourself right now in this season of your life. To bring it all together, aging is not a decline, but a transition, a beautiful and powerful phase where you have the agency to choose how you care for your body, your skin, and your spirit. We've explored 3 potent vitamins, K2, astaxanthin, and biotin, that quietly yet effectively work from the inside out to restore elasticity, radiance, and vitality. Equally important are the small daily habits that multiply these effects: hydration, sunlight, deep rest, and joy. These are not fleeting trends, but empowering tools that are yours to utilize. Remember this: it is never too late to begin nourishing your skin and your soul. You deserve to feel good when you look in the mirror, and you deserve to feel proud of the self-care you practice. And if no one has told you recently, you are still beautiful, not for chasing youth, but for honoring the woman you have become. If today's video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up. This helps more women discover encouraging, age-positive content. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, as weekly videos offer practical self-improvement tips for women over 60 who aspire to age well, feel strong, and radiate from within. In the comments below, share which vitamin you're most excited to try or what self-care habit you'll commit to this week. Let's inspire and cheer each other on, because aging beautifully is a journey we get to embrace.